Hello, do you want to learn how to cook the most beautiful broccoli? So this video is for you. Welcome back to Cooking with Frenchy, cooking and baking made easy. In this week's video, I'm showing you how to cook the best broccoli. You might say, wow, it's easy, how not to do it. However, it's always good to have a little bit more training about it to make sure that you cook a healthy broccoli, you don't burn all the vitamin, and you keep that vibrant green color. How do we do that? I'm just gonna show you in this recipe. Step 1. You must boil your water and salt it properly. You can even season your water to make sure it's a little bit salty. Step 2. Make sure you actually cut and chop the broccoli as a little floret. Once you've done, make sure to wash them properly under fresh water and cold water. Step 3. When you're done with that and your broccoli are ready, your water is boiling, you actually plunge your broccoli into the boiling water and you leave them there for 2 to 3 minutes maximum. Step 4. Prepare a bowl of cold water and a lot of ice into it. That's what we call blanching the broccoli and refreshing. This will cut the cooking process and your broccoli won't cook any further. Therefore, the green of your broccoli will remain sparkling and shiny and bright. If you fail to do so, your broccoli is going to get darker. Why? Because the chlorophyll has been burnt by the heat. Step 5. Drain your broccoli and you can keep them in an airtight container up to 3 to 5 days like this. You could cook them with a little bit of butter later on, or olive oil, or add them in the other dishes. The green of your broccoli won't go away. Your vitamin remains because the water wasn't over 100 degrees, so you eat healthy broccoli. And nothing like having your green for dinner. Check this out. Nice, huh? Nice and soft. Enjoy your weekend. See you next week.